Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm here with
Tiara.
and we're going to do, my sister-in-law does my makeup. So she's not so familiar with all of the makeup. Roll the B-roll. Yeah, so this is what we have, and she's gonna do my makeup. Yeah, so let's get into the video. Elegant BB cream in the color Deep. I don't even know what's gonna make that anymore.
Why even darker?
Yeah. There's brushes too.
You must use these brushes.
Yeah, you have to use you could use everything that's, yeah. I think this is not gonna match me.
Morning today. What's your morning?
Is this your first time doing makeup on camera?
Obviously.
This is the first time someone's doing makeup for me on camera, actually. The lights are so bright.
I must use one of these powders.
Yeah.
This is too white.
This is too white. She's gonna now set my face with the Yardley loose powder in caramel. You forgot this is loose powder. So this is my brother's girlfriend, obviously sister-in-law. They've been dating. How long have you been dating for?
Next year March will be 2 years. I mean this year March will be 2 years. This year March 2 years.
No, this is cream contour. We didn't bring it down. I thought you were gonna bring it down.
No, I didn't bring it down. But anyway, I'll use this rainbow thing.
Using your hands, there's like brushes here. Create an actual look. You didn't even contour, highlight, nothing.
I don't know how to do all this.
You just pretend like you know how to do it. Oh, that was like not what I expected it to do.
What?
Oh, this is the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. And she's using the color foundation brush.
You know, you should have taught me first before making this video.
No, that's not the point of the video. You're the only person I know that uses the foundation.
Okay, now.
You don't highlight. You just want to go. She just wants to use the rainbow stuff.
I was waiting for that.
I mustn't talk, but y'all can talk.
Obviously.
Yes, because we in the video. You're not in the video.
Shame. I can be.
I don't know how you highlight. Okay, well, it's supposed to be how you want to highlight. I wonder if you're catching that on camera. Oh, wait, we were supposed to say, this is the Betty Lou Luminizer. You just wanted it.
Oh, how do you use the rainbow thing? I'm blue.
Because this, as if you checked my review on this, it will be up in the YouTube card. It wasn't that pigmented. It wasn't like very pigmented. Oh my god, guys, this is like the first time doing anything like this. She didn't even lay down a crease color, guys. Okay, I have an idea. Let's split the brush with a little bit of Fix Plus and see what happens. I forgot. Okay, I broke the thing. I actually broke the nozzle on the brush. Yeah, no, you can. You're supposed to dip it back in, yeah. Put the like pink. That literally did nothing. I gave it a little bit of color, but it's not like so bright. Oh, I don't know where the eyeliner went, Rachel.
This is supposed to be class. Okay.
Oh. Are you putting the lip gloss on my eyes?
Yes.
She's going for the wet look. There's like literally nothing on the doe foot applicator. I never had that on my eyelids before.
Well, now you have.
Oh, did we just stop saying everything that we were using?
Exactly.
She's using the eyebrow spoolie and brush from Switch Beauty, and this is the Miss Royal Glow Kit. Is that a new kind of design? You should have at least watched YouTube tutorials before you did it. Tomorrow's video could be something nice, so stay tuned.
Oh my god. How much makeup on your face?
And that's like a shimmery bronzer. I can only imagine what you go outside looking like.
Don't say that. Do not
murder my eyeballs.
Okay. Open. Close. Open.
Woo! She's using the Benefit Their Real mascara. Guys, we're back. And yeah, I'm eating some Willie's food. Popcorn.
You have to tell them that too. When you edit.
Dinner?
Obviously she can't say her name, Alex. Holy shit, I forgot the eyeliner again. Suck at putting this. Your lips are...
Dude. Hmm? Oh. You done?
Yeah. You can see the mark?
Oh my god. What the hell?
Wait, stop moving!
Is Kanniah a nice beater?
It's nice, Peyton? It's nice?
Yeah.
No! I'm done.
Okay. I look like the girl from Awkward insert picture here. Don't you think? Okay guys, so that concludes this video. If you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Bye!
Right. Let me look at you from there.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Alex!
Pop.
You look pretty.